Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today I will show you how you can prevent domain users from shutting down server or system. Means, if I'll go to start menu here, and if I'll click to power button, I will be able to shut down or restart this system. Okay. So in same way, if in your environment, if users are able to shut down or restart the system or server, okay, and if you want to prevent so that user will not be able to shut down or restart the system, I will show you how you can do that. Okay, so I'll show you step by step each and everything. Okay, so before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel IT Parivar, please subscribe just to motivate me, just to support me. Okay, and click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Let's start now. So let me jump on my domain controller first here. Okay, so this is my domain controller. Okay, and if in your environment, if you are using Active Directory domain controller, you can manage it or you can prevent users from shutting down server or system using group policy. So I'll show you here how you can do that. Okay, before applying group policy or before creating group policy, I want to show you something. So what I did here on this same domain controller, just for the testing purpose, I have created one VM. Okay, VM means virtual machine. Okay, so let me show you. You can see here I have logged in on this PC, on this server, you can say, using test user. Okay, test one. Okay, the PC name is, let me show you. Let's go to CMD and type here host name. Okay, the PC name is PC1. Okay, if we'll go to start menu and click power button, you can see here shutdown and restart option is enabled. Okay, so this test user can shut down the system or server and restart as well. Okay, so I'll apply the group policy and we'll try to prevent this user. Okay, so that this test user will not be able to start or shut down this system or server. Okay, let me minimize this now and let me open here group policy management on my domain controller. Okay, so one more thing I can show you. My domain name is tpario.line here. Okay, let me show you by going to the virtual machine where we will test. Okay, there are multiple ways. You can just type here who am I? It will show the name. You can see here. It is showing IT Parivar slash test one. Okay, so the domain name is itparivar.lan and this machine is joined to the domain. Okay, you can check from here also by just open File Explorer, go to this PC, right click and go to Properties. Okay, you can see here. The domain name is itparivar.lan, PC name is PC1, and full computer name is pc-1.itparivar.lan. That means this PC is joined to the itparivar.lan domain. Now let me close this. Okay, and let's go to domain controller. Okay, so this is my 1 second. Let me minimize this. This is my domain controller where I have opened here the group policy management console. Okay, so you can do one thing. You can use any existing group policy, whatever you have, or if you can, if you want to create any new group policy just to manage or prevent users to, I mean, uh, for removing their access to shut down or restart, you can create one new group policy as well. So here I am going to create one new group policy. Okay, under group policy object, click new. Here we can say prevent server, or you can just prevent shutdown hyphen restart. Okay, just say okay. Once group policy will be created, just right click go to edit option. Okay, and under computer configuration policies, expand policies, expand Windows settings, and then go to security settings. Here you will see local policies. Just double click on this and then double click on user right assignment, or you can expand from here also, right? Local policy and then user right assignment. Once you go to the user assignment option, you need to scroll down, and here you will see the option shut down the system. Okay, shut down the system. Okay, what you need to do is you need to right click, go to properties, define this policy, and click to add users or group here. Okay, click to browse, and suppose if you want to allow restart or shutdown for local administrator only or administrator users only. Okay, so you can add here administrator or any group also. Like if you have any group where multiple users are added and you want to provide access to those users which are in the group, okay, you can add group, and all those users will be able to manage, or you can say shut down or restart the server. So for now I'm just going to add this administrator. Okay, means I'm going to allow administrator user only who will be able to shut down or restart the server or system. Okay, except administrator like test1 or any other user will not be able to start or shut down or restart the server. Okay, just say okay. Now one more thing, here you can see force shutdown from a remote system. So if you want, you can enable this also. Okay, means this policy is for like if any user will try to shut down any remote server remotely, okay, he will not be able to shut down. Okay, so we can add here administrator also. Okay, okay, apply, sorry, okay, and then apply and okay. Let's close this. Now we have configured the settings. Okay, now what need to do is you need to link this group policy to the respective OU. If you want to prevent users, or if you want to apply this group policy for the target user, target servers, you can link to that OU where those users are computers or servers are residing. Okay, so this computer is under computer OU. Let me show you. I am going to open here Active Directory users and computers. Okay, and if I'll go to IT computers, you can see here PC1, and that PC name was PC1 only. Okay, so we'll try to link, or we'll try to apply the group policy for this PC only. Okay, if you want, you can apply for all the domain users or computers. So in that case, you need to just link that group policy here. Any policy, if you want to apply for all domain users or computers, you need to apply to the domain label or root label. So you need to just right click and click to link an existing GPO. You need to select that group policy and then apply OK. For now, I am going to apply this policy to this IT computer where our testing PC1 is laying or residing. Okay, right click, click on link an existing GPO and prevent shutdown. Select this group policy, say OK, and then close this. Go to command prompt and do here GPO update space force. It will take some time. Let's wait. You can see updating policy. Okay, computer policy update has completed successfully, and user policy update has completed successfully. So on domain controller, policy has been updated. Now let's move to that client machine or server where we will test. So as of now, let's check again, go to power, and still we are able to see shutdown restart option. So what we can do, just go to the command prompt. Okay, type here gp update space / force. Okay, let's wait. You can see computer policy update is completed successfully. User policy update has completed successfully. Let's close this. Okay, and let's check again. Go to power. Still we are able to see, but what we can do is let's log off this. Okay, let's sign out and log in again. Okay, I'm using VM here, so I'm going to log in this way. You can log in, maybe if on machine or server physically. Okay, and now we'll see if still we are able to see that. Okay, see, now we are not able to see the restart or shutdown option. Okay, here for now this is not showing, like, but here you will see the disconnect option only. Okay, for now in my case it is not showing, but you can see we are not able to see now restart or shutdown option, and user is the same and PC is same also. Let me show you again. Okay, you can see user is test and PC is host. Name of the PC is PC1 only, right? So now we are not able to you know we are unable to see shutdown or restart option. Means we have blocked shutdown or restart or uh, this power option for the user, so that user will not be able to shut down or restart the server or system. What you can do, just for the testing purpose, you can run here command shutdown space -r, which is for restart the server or system. Press enter. You can see access is denied. Okay, so now we can say we have successfully prevented users to do not shut down or restart the system or server. Okay, let's close this. And guys, I hope that this video is helpful for you, and now you have an understanding like how you can prevent users from shutting down or restarting the server using group policy. Okay, so again I'll request you to please subscribe my channel IT Parivar, and if this video is really helpful for you, please like, share it with your friends. If you have any query or concerns, please feel free to leave your comment. Surely I'll try to revert. Okay, I'll definitely I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.